Hi, it's Tim. We just built this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower engine for our customer's 1967 Mustang with the Holley Sniper Efi 2 system on there. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We started with a brand new 4-bolt main block, all forged steel internals. We have the correct front sump oil pan for the 67 Mustang. Oil pressure extensions on there. We have a double roller timing chain in there, brand new timing cover, new balancer, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made, Taylor ignition wires, black with all the wire markers, all set. These 427 stroker black valve covers with the oval air cleaner with a washable filter, MSD distributor in there, MSD ignition coil. We have the aluminum intake manifold. This is the black Holley Sniper Efi 2 system fuel injection. We have the throttle return spring, throttle cable ball, and bracket. We set up the menu screen for the customer for the Holley Sniper Efi. All the settings will be set, all dialed in, fully tested, ready to go, plug and play. We have the correct aluminum bell housing for the TKX 5-speed transmission that we're going to be supplying for the customer. We're going to set up the internal hydraulic throwout bearing adjustments for the customer. It'll be all set, ready to go. We have the ram clutch in there, all set, aligned. We have the Holley Sniper external fuel pressure regulator, all set up for the customer. His fuel return back to the tank will hook up right here. All the pressure will be set at 60 psi, ready to go. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed for any vacuum hookups. We have the heavy-duty Russell gas line, all the AN fittings set up. High torque mini starter on there. This is the Black Wraptor serpentine pulley kit with a heavy-duty 8-rib serpentine belt. Customer has the lower hose on the passenger side. That's correct for the 67 Mustang. Self-tensioning belt tensioner. High flow aluminum water pump. Correct thermostat housing. Thermostats installed. Coolant bypass hose. 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator. Power steering pumps on there. Every engine is live run and fully tested for over 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We set the ignition timing. We dial in the Holley Sniper EFI system. So it's plug and play again, ready to go. We checked for leaks. It has gone over extremely close. So you'll have total confidence when you put the engine in, you know it's going to be 100% perfect. So again, this is our 427 Ford 540 horsepower Holley Sniper fuel injection 2 system for the 67 Mustang. Thanks for watching.